as Wes would say, like, you need my head as close to the top as possible. Howdy, folks. I was given this package with specific instructions to film the unboxing of it. So I'm using my handy dandy Swiss Army knife that a viewer sent me. And yeah, I know. Everyone's gonna be mad how I cut it. That's okay.
Where'd you chum that from?
My chum is videotaping, so for not wanting to be in this, you're being awfully vocal over there. Okay. Let's see what we got here.
Bubble wrap. I want bubble wrap.
Wait. Alright, so I'm opening it upside down, but I got a little piece of wood here that has the Hufflepuff symbol on it.
I want to see it.
And there you go. It also says sample run.
I just put
So, only
I
imagine.
just want paper. Paper.
Oh, that's styrofoam, not paper. Okay. Alright, there's more. There's more, folks.
I have an idea.
This is not what I was expecting. So, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says Hufflepuff, the symbol right there of the Hogwarts house. And then it says Towing and Brake Bleeding Service. If that's not legit, I don't know. I don't know why it took me so long to open this. This is awesome. Thank you.
Coming for the station.
I'm pretty good.
Mom, I need
Are
to
you still recording?
paper wrap.
You can stop recording.
Yep.
Wow.
You guys get to see what's working out.
I'll tell you right now,
Gina, that is
So you've already got a 2.0.
That is my cine camera. I keep my good one at home.
All right. I don't got none of this stuff.
Oh, speaking of the devil.
Post. Pause, forward, post. That's it.
Oh, somebody hooked that one up real good. They got a freebie. Oh, there it is.
Nice job.
But there.
For the first time ever on a machine, that was
Just
really good.
You did good. Don't be nice to it, Wes. Just kick it off there.
Yeah. Keep going, keep going, keep going. One more, you got it. It ain't easy doing anything. Where's Muddy Creek? I want some Muddy Creek.
Watch Wes work. First time in an excavator, and he is a pro. Look at him go. Mrs. Watch Wes work. Any opinions on this?
I can't wait to show him up.
I love it. Love it.
Are you live?
No.
So SOT was brave enough to put his camera down there. You guys see that? It was right down there in front of Wesley's stuff.
Oh my goodness.
What's the secret here? Swing to the right just a little bit. Swing right up.
They want that round two.
You got it.
Perfect. Wes, don't be scared. We got a plasma table. We'll take care of it. No issue. You're fine. You're good.
We need to talk about signs, man.
All right.
Fix anything.
Yes, sir. Crap filter right there. You can always buy these at SOTmetalworks.com. If you guys need more practice, let me know. Ready? That's the one you should be in. He's got aerosol can. Of course, the mic doesn't. This is so bad. This is so bad. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Poor farmer Chris had to stop and watch out. Oh, so I got right in your way. Okay.
I don't know, Wes. I don't know if I'm buying. You've never been on a machine before.
Good teacher, I think, is what's going on here.
Yeah. I just told him what to do. How do you feel about this 3 or 4 competitors? I know it's different. It's looser, but I like it hard. I can ride. Figure this all by this day. I have a hard time getting fish. It's quick. I like it. Now you step on them. It is like it's quick and it's strong. It's got a lot of power. Yeah. But Mike said he goes, he had no problem with it. Never had any problem with it. Most when she hit that. Yeah.
Ah, that was good.
You did really good. Pull that lever up. Like you're headed, you exit the vehicle.
Less than 6 minutes, honey.
You did a good job. Thank you, sir. You did a real good job. Congratulations. I think, where's my phone? I think Monday's calling.
Yeah. How about that?